What is an AI image generator? Explained in 60 seconds. An AI image generator is a tool that creates images from text descriptions. Instead of drawing or searching for stock photos, you simply describe what you want, and artificial intelligence generates the image for you. Let's look at a quick example. We open Magnific.com and go to the AI image generator section. Here we have a prompt field where we can describe the image we want to create. For example, we can type sunny tropical beach, turquoise water, white sand, cinematic lighting. Now we click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI creates several image options based on the description. Each image is unique. You can regenerate, edit the prompt, or download the result. This technology is now widely used for design, social media content, marketing visuals, thumbnails, and concept art. And the best part? You don't need design skills. You just need a good idea and a clear prompt. Next, we'll talk about how AI actually generates images. How AI generates images. Simple explanation. How does AI actually generate images from text? Behind the scenes, AI models are trained on millions of images and visual patterns. They learn how objects look, how lighting works, and how different styles are created. Let's see how this works in practice. We open Magnific AI Image Generator. In the prompt field, we describe a scene. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, neon lights, cinematic atmosphere. Now we click Generate. The AI analyzes the words in the prompt and translates them into visual elements: buildings, lighting, colors, and composition. In a few seconds, it produces multiple variations. Each result is slightly different because the AI explores different visual interpretations. If we want a different look, we simply adjust the prompt. For example, we can add ultra-realistic, wide-angle, dramatic lighting, then generate again. This simple process, prompt, generate, refine, is the core workflow of AI image creation. Now you understand how AI generates images from text prompts. Next, we'll look at the three main types of AI image generators. Three types of AI image generators. Not all AI image generators work the same way. Today, there are three main types. The first type is text-to-image generators. These create images directly from a written prompt. For example, here in Magnific, we open the image generator, write a description, and click Generate. The AI creates images based on the text. The second type is image-to-image generators. Here you upload a reference image and ask the AI to modify or transform it. For example, turning a photo into an illustration or changing the style. The third type is editing and enhancement tools. These allow you to expand, upscale, or modify generated images. For example, removing objects, changing backgrounds. Most modern platforms, including Magnific, combine all three types into one workflow, which makes it easy to generate, edit, and refine images in just a few clicks. Now you know the three main types of AI image generators. Next, we'll talk about how to choose the right AI image generator for your work. How to choose an AI image generator. There are many AI image generators today. So how do you choose the right one? There are three things to consider. First, image quality. Good AI models generate detailed images with realistic lighting, textures, and composition. Second, ease of use. For beginners, it's important that the interface is simple and intuitive. Let's look at Magnific as an example. We open the AI image generator. Everything is straightforward: a prompt field, style settings, and the Generate button. Third, editing tools. The best platforms allow you not only to generate images, but also refine them. For example, regenerating variations, adjusting prompts, or modifying the composition. So when choosing an AI generator, look for a tool that combines quality, simplicity, and flexibility. That's what makes the workflow fast and efficient. Now you know what to look for when choosing an AI image generator. Next, we'll compare several popular tools: Nano, Midjourney, and Magnific AI. Nano versus Midjourney versus Magnific AI. There are several popular AI image generators today. Let's quickly compare three of them. Nano is known for fast generation and creative styles. Midjourney is famous for highly artistic and cinematic images. And Magnific AI focuses on accessibility and practical design workflows. For example, inside Magnific, we can simply open the image generator, type a prompt, and click Generate. The platform immediately produces multiple image options. Unlike some tools, Magnific also integrates directly with stock assets, templates, and editing tools. This makes it especially useful for designers, marketers, and content creators. So while different generators have different strengths, platforms like Magnific focus on a complete creative workflow, from idea to final image. Now you've seen how some popular AI image generators compare. Next, we'll look at which AI image generator is best for beginners. Best AI image generator for beginners. If you are just starting with AI image generation, the most important thing is simplicity. A beginner-friendly tool should have a clear interface and fast results. Let's look at a simple workflow. We open Magnific AI Image Generator. In the prompt field, we describe the image we want. For example, minimal modern living room, natural light, Scandinavian style. Now we click Generate. Within seconds, the AI creates several visual options. If we want something different, we simply edit the prompt and generate again. This quick feedback loop is what makes AI image generators easy to learn. You experiment, adjust the prompt, and immediately see new results. That's why tools with a simple interface are the best starting point for beginners. Now you know what makes an AI image generator beginner-friendly. Next, we'll generate an image step by step using the Nano Banana model. How to generate an image with Nano Banana. Let's generate an AI image step by step. First, we open the AI image generator. Next, we write a prompt describing the scene. For example, sunset beach landscape, soft waves, warm golden light, ultra-realistic. Now we select the generator model. For this example, we choose Nano Banana. Next, we click Generate. In a few seconds, the AI creates several image variations. We can open any of them to view the full resolution. If the result is close but not perfect, we simply adjust the prompt. Then generate again. This simple workflow, prompt, generate, refine, is how most AI images are created today. Now you've seen how to generate an AI image step by step. Next, we'll look at 3 simple prompt tips that can significantly improve your results. 3 prompt tips for better AI images. The quality of AI images depends heavily on the prompt. Here are 3 simple tips. First, be specific. Instead of writing beach, describe the scene. For example, tropical beach, turquoise water, white sand, cinematic sunset lighting. Second, add style and atmosphere. Words like cinematic, realistic, minimalist, or futuristic help guide the visual style. Let's try it. We enter the prompt in the Magnific image generator and click Generate. The results immediately reflect the style we described. Third, refine and iterate. If the result is not perfect, simply modify the prompt and generate again. Small changes in wording can produce very different images. Mastering prompts is the key skill for working with AI image generators. Now you know 3 simple prompt tips for generating better AI images. In the next videos, we'll explore more practical workflows for AI image creation. Write about your own experience with image generation in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.